Thinly sliced Suzuki Seabass sashimi. This channel is produced by Japanese chef Taka-san, using a different approach compared to other culinary videos. It is to create a Japanese cuisine communities for the viewers to participate in. The contents and dishes are based on requests received from viewers and friends, a program created by the viewers for the viewers. It is our desire to solve questions and problems regarding Japanese cuisine through this Japanese cuisine community. Next, remove the head and guts after removing the scales. Rinse under running water to wash any clotted blood away. Let's begin by cutting the sea bass into 3 sections. Make your first cut into the upper half of the fish at the stomach. Be sure to make your cuts deep enough to reach the spine. Now, flip the fish and cut from the other side. Be careful of the sharp dorsal fins. Time to remove the top section. Because of the deep cuts we made from both sides of the fillet, all we need to do now is cut the middle area connected to the spine. We will repeat the same process for the bottom section. This time, start cutting from the top of the fish instead of the stomach side. Here are our 3 sections. Now to remove the stomach bones. Remove the pin bones while cutting fillets for the sashimi. We'll peel the skin off next. Make a sliding motion with your knife while pulling on the meat to peel cleanly. It's time to cut the sashimi. This preparation is special for its very thin slices. Plate the condiments after preparing the sashimi slices. All done. Let's dig in. Thanks for the meal. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel.